Hi everyone, welcome back with Decoeasy. My name is Janny. I'm doing this home decor channel together with Dyanne. I hope you are ready for our daily home decor inspiration. For this next DIY, we need 66 of these little stacking blocks, and you can use any stacking blocks because you have them in different brands. So I am always using the cheaper ones. So this one is $2.99 for 54. So you need a little bit more than one package. So what I'm going to try to make is two different sizes of little candle holders. So we will see if this will succeed or not. So come along with me in this DIY. So you see already I have my blocks already laid down. What we're going to do, we are going to make 12 blocks from pieces of 3. So you see I just do 3 against each other. So we get squares from 3 blocks, and again a little bit over here, and just glue it together. And this way we are going to make 12 of this kind of blocks. I will make them for you first, and then we're going to do the next step. And I built already a little bit in a square. Of course, I have to glue it still, but this is what I mean. I'm just going to make a square, just like we did with our shadow boxes a couple of videos back. So I'm going to make like a kind of a shadow box, but it's not the same. This one stays open. So I'm going to glue this square together. Here you see already our square. This is the first one, and this is the biggest one because we are going to make again a couple of the little blocks again, but this time this one is 12, 3 on each side. And for the next one we have 2 sides with 3, and we have 2 sides with 2. So it will be a little bit of a different shape because we want to make 2 different candle holders. So I will glue again 12 from this. Oh no, this one was 12 and the other one was 10. So we're going to make 10 little blocks from 3 pieces at a kind. And I made all my blocks, and I did for the top and the bottom we have 3, and for the sides we have 2. So I will glue this one all together, and then we're going to build again our frame for our candle holder. And of course, again, squeeze very hard, remove your glue. Be careful because, like I always say, I don't feel a lot of the glue, but probably you will. And this one will be with 3, this with 3, and this one with 2. You see already, I show it to you in a moment before I glue it together. This will be the shape. Of course, I have to lay down, do this one beside this. It is not glued together, but you see already this is a little bit the shape it will be. It's a little bit lower than the first one. So I will glue this together, and then we are ready to put it inside with some furniture wax. And this is the shape for our little one, and you see this are both of them, and now you get a nice set with 2 of the little frames. So what I'm going to do right now, first with these frames, because this is only the base, we are going to do some furniture wax on top of here. We don't have to do the bottom, we just do the rest, but only we leave the bottom we leave the bottom alone alone, because we are going to do some felt on top of it, because it won't scratch our furniture. So I will do the rest of it, and then we are going further with the next step. You see our candle holders are already in the furniture racks and are drying right now. What I took, and I forgot to tell you that you need two old little glasses where you can put your tea lights in. Of course, you can get them at Dollar Tree, you can get them anywhere. This is a new one, at least he's also 25 cents, believe I with us, and I already had a black one for a long time. What I'm going to do, I'm going to paint both of them in the white chalk paint, and of course this one will take a couple of more coats than the white one, so I will do this in the coats I need, and then we're going to do place a little frame on top of our candle holders, because this will be on top of the wooden frames. You see here I have wooden slices and I have them in different sizes. Of course I will use two bigger ones, and these are a little bit of the smaller ones. I also use two because I'm going to make a bigger one, and the smaller one I glue on top, so you get a little bit of a layer, and I will glue them later on top of here. But first I'm going to do two of them in the furniture racks, and I will two of them I will paint in the black color. So you see already I have two of the bigger black ones and two of the smaller brown ones in the furniture racks. What I'm going to do, I'm going to glue this one here inside of here, and I'm going to glue this one inside of here to get a little change of structure. So, and then we're going to glue this on top of our little stand. So you see, this is the smaller one. What I'm going to do, I'm going to glue one of them on top of here. I show it to you a little bit better. So in the middle, exactly in the middle, I'm going to glue this over here, and this one I'm going to do on the bigger one. So you see already our stands are already finished. I'm sorry, I have all my all white paint on my fingers, but you see the stands are finished. What I'm going to do right now, I'm going to do my little white holders. I'm going to make and distress a little bit with the black color, so just go a little bit around the edges, and just like I always say, keep your permanent marker flat, so it gives not in one time a big line, so it always has to be little lines. And you see, this is what I mean. I'm going to do also the underside and a little bit over the holder itself. So I'm going to do the black and then I'll show you. So you see, now I have both of them. I did with a little bit of the black distressing, and I did it just there's no right way or wrong way. Now I'm taking my brown marker and I'm going to go over the lines a little bit where the black is. I make little pieces with the dark brown, so it gives a rustic feeling around the black, which supposed to look like if it is damaged. So just go ahead and do a little bit of the brown touches here and there. You see already I did also the brown touches on top of here, and of course you can distress it any way you like. This is always the way I do it, but you are free to do it any way you like. What I'm going to do right now, I'm going to glue in both of them on top of our stands. So, and then I think I can show you with one little one already. So I'm going to glue this on top of here, and I'll show you. I tried this a little bit this way, and this is how it will turn out. And probably I will do some greenery inside of here, but you can do anything you like in here. I thought I would do you can also do a candle, of course, and you can also do, instead of a candle, you can do some lights around the stand. It's always a nice change of yeah, fluffing up your decor. So I think I'm going to do some greenery inside of it. I have to see what I have in my stash, but I am already happy how the stand is turning out. And here you see the finished result of our two stands, and I am so happy how this two wooden stand turned out. And you just see I did some greenery inside of it and some yellow berries, and I love that you can make something easy with some easy tumbling tower blocks. So I hope you have some laying around and make two of your own, because they are so great to make and to have in your decor. I just hope you enjoyed doing this DIY together with me, and we hope to see you in our next DIY. So this was it already for our daily home decor inspiration. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you like this content, of course, Dyanne and I hope you will consider subscribing to our channel. And for now, we wish you all a beautiful, beautiful day.